Are you ready to discover the meanings of the Sun Tarot card? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly what this card means in any reading, whether it's about love, career, finance, spirituality, or even just a general reading. Plus, I'm going to show you how to interpret this card when it's upright or reversed. So that way you will never get stuck on this card in a reading again. So let's dive in. Now, the Sun represents positivity, fun, warmth, success, and vitality. And this card just radiates optimism and positivity. You can see a large bright sun that shines in the sky, and this represents the source of all life on Earth. Underneath, you see 4 sunflowers that are growing tall above a brick wall, representing actually the 4 suits of the minor arcana and also the 4 elements. Now, in the foreground, you can see a young child who's sitting on top of a calm white horse. Now, this child represents the joy of being connected with your inner spirit, and his nakedness is a sign that he's got nothing to hide and has all the innocence and the purity of childhood. The white horse is also a sign of purity and strength. Now, when you see this card in a tarot reading, the sun symbolizes success and abundance. So people are really drawn to your positive attitude and your radiant energy, and you just bring so much warmth and joy wherever you go. And this beautiful warm energy is what will get you through the toughest of times and really help you succeed. Now, whether you know it or not, you're in a position where you can share your highest qualities and achievements with others. So don't be afraid to radiate who you are and what you stand for, and just shine your love on those you really do care about. Now, if you're going through a difficult time, then the sun brings you the message that you've been waiting for, that things will get better and a lot better. The challenges along your path have really helped you discover who you are and why you're here. You are full of energy and you have this zeal for the future. You can already see success and abundance just flowing to you, and you're brimming with confidence because you know that everything is going to work out. It always does. Life is good. So the sun connects you to your power base, and not that fear-driven, egotistical power, but this abundant and like inner energy that radiates through you right now. And you'll sense it in your solar plexus chakra near your belly button as it calls you to really express yourself authentically and be fully present in the world around you. And this really does mean that you have exactly what others want, and you're being asked to radiate your energy and your gifts out into the world in a really big way. So tap into your power and use your divine will to express that power in positive ways. Now, the sun's also an energetic card, and I mean this quite literally. If you draw this card, then expect to experience an increase in physical energy, vitality, and general positivity, because you're bursting with enthusiasm, you're feeling invigorated, and you're enjoying a wonderful sense of good health. Now, what does the sun card mean when it comes to relationships and love? Well, if you're single, the sun indicates it's a really favorable time for dating and meeting new people. In fact, you're likely to meet someone that you enjoy spending time with, who makes you laugh in a really good way. And there's a lot of positive energy around this relationship, and you'll feel much better about yourself as a result of meeting this person. Now, if you're already in a relationship, then this card reflects that this is a positive time when you're enjoying each other's company and energy. Maybe you might even decide to spend more time together without distraction, like maybe going on a holiday together or enjoying life's simple pleasures. But here's the thing, the sun is all about freedom and liberation. So give each other a little bit of space when you need it. Now, the sun may also reflect a friendship or a connection with a child or a young person, maybe like a grandchild, a niece, or a nephew. And this relationship will help you rediscover your inner child and find your sense of fun once again. So the message really is to relish every moment that you spend with young people, no matter if they're tantruming or not, and just to harness their positive and optimistic energy. Now, when it comes to career, work, and finances, if you're searching for a new job or a career change, then the sun card heralds success, like a job offer or an attractive new opportunity on the horizon. If you're looking to stay put, then the sun signals success and achievement at work and an increasing sense of confidence in everything that you do. You're going to be recognized and rewarded, and everything will come to you because you're so in flow with what you're doing. The key is to spread the love. So acknowledge your team's efforts in achieving this shared goal, and remember to communicate your success story with others as a source of motivation and inspiration. Now, in a financial reading, this is a great card and it heralds positive outcomes. Your investments may also do very well. Maybe your savings are on the rise. Whatever it is, you're going to look at your finances from a perspective of abundance. And even if you're struggling a little bit, you'll feel more positive about the progress that you have made so far. Now, if you see the Sun card in a spiritual reading, it symbolizes abundance, joy, and happiness in all your spiritual pursuits. The Sun also reflects the law of attraction, meaning that if you send positive energy out towards the universe, you'll receive that positive energy back and you can create a life full of abundance and spiritual wealth. The message is to enjoy these good times and to remember to give thanks for being so blessed. Now, what if you see the Sun reversed in your tarot reading? Well, on one level, the reversed Sun is calling to your inner child to come out and play. And you know, as adults, we get so lost in the hustle and bustle of everyday life that we forget how to have fun. But just spend a few minutes watching kids play and you soon realize how wonderful and carefree life can be when you learn to let go of your worries and your concerns. So when you see the Sun reversed in your tarot reading, see it as your permission slip to leave behind your work and responsibilities, yippee, even just for a moment, and just go and play. Dance like no one's watching, sing like no one's listening, and let your heart and your soul fly free. Now, the reverse Sun can also mean that you're struggling to see the bright side of life. Maybe there's setbacks in your plans and they're damaging your enthusiasm and make you wonder if you really can achieve what you've set out to do. Now, your direction in your path ahead may appear clouded or distorted, and as a result, you could be left feeling a little depressed or left out and you don't enjoy what you're doing anymore. Well, my friend, don't worry, because the Sun is never a negative card, so this is only temporary. The obstacles you see can actually be easily removed if you put your mind to it. It might just take a little bit more effort than usual. On the other hand, this may be a warning that you're feeling a little bit too confident or overly optimistic, and maybe you've become egotistical and out of touch with what you can actually achieve. Now, if this resonates with you, don't be afraid to ask others for some feedback and a bit of a reality check. Are you being unrealistic? Is what you've set out to achieve achievable? And are you really as good as you think you are? Now, if you want to learn more about the tarot cards and what they all mean, I've got something really, really special for you. It is my tarot card meanings reference guide. It's absolutely free. It's got all the card meanings right at your fingertips. All you need to do is click on the link below to get instant access and never go blank in a reading again. And if you want to learn more about how to read tarot in a more modern, approachable way, there's so much for you to explore here at Biddy Tarot, because we are literally helping millions of people around the world to develop their tarot skills and their intuition. And we would absolutely love to help you do the same. So take the next step in your tarot journey by clicking below. Bye for now. Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.